Hello, today we will learn about software quality assurance. These are the contents I want to show in this video. First of all, what is quality? Quality is mainly the excellence of any product. And what is quality assurance? Quality assurance is the process by which we maintain the quality of a product required by the company or the customer. Quality refers to any measurable characteristic such as correctness, maintainability, portability, testability, usability, reliability, and etc. Why we need software quality assurance? Software quality assurance is mainly needed to maintain the quality or the criteria of a product or software. It also ensures the fitness of the product. It is a planned effort of the project manager and quality assurance team. How to maintain quality assurance? First of all, we need to make a test sets. These test sets are planned by the quality assurance team, which mainly focuses on the customer's need. It is not the sole responsibility of the software quality assurance group, but is determined by the project manager, quality assurance team, and testers. The components of quality assurance is mainly consist of software testing, quality control, and software quality management. Software testing is the process by which we check if there is any bugs in the software or not. And quality control is to maintain the quality of the product required by the company. And software quality management is the full process of quality management which is need to maintain through our projects. Now we will learn about some software testing. Software testing is mainly a risk reduction management strategy. The main two steps or types of software testing is verification and validation. In verification, we do step-by-step testing. Step by step, we check if there is any bugs or not. But in case of validation, we check at the last stage. In the last stage, we check if there is any bugs or not. In case of validation, validation and verification is done before the shipment of the product to the customer or the users. The major purpose of verification and validation activities is to ensure that the software code documentation meet all the requirements imposed on them. So these are the main two steps of software testing which we need to follow in our full system. Now, what is quality control? Quality control is defined as the process and methods used to monitor the work and observe whether the requirements are met or not. Though in case of small projects, the quality control is not done properly, but in case of large project, it is a must. It must be done because it focuses on reviews and removal of defects before shipment of the products. There are many quality control process or strategies such as regression or load testing or volume testing. These are the deep things of software quality assurance which we will discuss in my another video. Now, software configuration management. It is mainly concerned with the labeling, tracking, and control changing in the software elements. It consists of activities that ensures that design and codes are defined and cannot be changed without a review of the effect of the change itself and its documentation. Which are the elements of software configuration management? It is component identification, version control, configuration building, and change control. Now, as I am discussing the basic things of quality assurance, I will not discuss the deep things in my video. I will stop my video here today. I will discuss steps by steps and all ins and outs of video